All right, welcome back, my fellow Mountain Shadow scientists, to another fun project that we have today. Today's lesson, we will be learning about capillary action, cellulose, adhesion, cohesion, and our primary colors. And the way we're going to learn about these is through a fun art project / science project called the Walking Water. Now, in your kit, you will have gotten 5 cups, a container of yellow food coloring, blue food coloring, and red food coloring. Now, you will need a couple extra things to complete this project. You'll need 2 paper towel sheets, some scissors, and a couple things to stir and mix the colors with. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to take our paper towel and we're going to cut it in half because we only need half sheets. And you're going to take it and you're going to fold it into kind of like an accordion fold. So up and back, and back again, and then one more time just because, until you get a strip that's like this. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half, and you're really going to want to make sure that you get a nice solid fold out of it. Now you want a total of 4 of these little accordion folds. Now the next step is we're going to take our 5 cups and we are going to place them out just like this so that they're close and touching each other. No social distancing on this project. You will also need some water, so you're going to take your water and you're going to fill every other cup, so the 2 ends and the one in the middle. And you're going to want to fill them up pretty much to the top. All right. Okay. Now the next step is you're going to take you can take your yellow one, and the yellow goes in the middle. So you're just going to dump that out into the middle cup, like so. And you're going to take your stir and you're going to make sure that that color mixes in really well in that middle cup. Now if you use a spoon, make sure you wash your spoon off before you do this again. Next, you're going to take your blue and you're going to dump it in on this end. And again, you're going to take that and you're going to stir that really well. And then finally, you're going to take your red and you're going to dump it in on the other end. And you're going to take that and you're going to mix that up really well. Now again, this project is called the Walking Water Project. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our folds like this, and we're going to place the first one in the cups just like that. And then you're going to take your next one and you're going to place it in so that your yellow and blue are going to join. And then you're going to take your yellow again and place it into the other empty cup. And then finally, you're going to take your empty cup and your red and you're going to put one in that, like so. So as you can see, the water in the colored cups is starting to creep up the paper towel, and it's going to eventually travel back down into the empty cups. So this is called capillary action. So capillary action is just like how plants feed themselves. When you water a plant, inside the plant there are billions of cellulose cells, and they're very small and microscopic, and that water is going to push through the plant, defying gravity, and it's going to go up, up, up into the plant feeding itself through little fibers. Now, the paper towels are made of the same type of fibers that you'll find inside the plants. That's why they're paper towels. So these cellulose fibers absorb that water up through it, through little tiny holes. Now they stick to each other and they're able to travel through this thing called adhesion. Adhesion is when a water molecule binds to something other than another water molecule through its hydrogen atom. And then it keeps building and building on itself by bonding to other water molecules traveling upwards through cohesion. Cohesion is when water molecules bind together, also through their hydrogen atoms. So it's a really cool process, and that's how plants feed themselves, and that's what's happening here. Now the water is traveling up and through, and up and through, and up and through, and up and through, and now it's going down. It's looking for those fibers that haven't been saturated yet, and so it's just going to keep pooling and pooling. Now, the fun art part of this is called the primary colors. So what's going to happen, as you can see here at the finished product, is that eventually the red and the yellow are going to fill up this cup, and they're going to mix together, and red and yellow will make orange. Same thing with the blue and the yellow will travel down, and they will make green. So you have red, orange, yellow, and green, the colors of the rainbow. Now, primary colors are important because they're the only colors where no other color will mix to make it. So they make all the other colors in the rainbow. Every color you see is based off of these colors mixing together. Now, eventually, this project is going to take some time to complete. It's going to take a couple hours for the cups to fill themselves up, and so it'll be fun just to watch the cups slowly start to mix, and eventually your yellow and your blue will give you this fun green color, and your red and your yellow will give you this fun orange color. Now, like I said, this is also a fun art project other than looking at pretty colors, is that when you're all done with your project, you can take these out and unfold them, and you'll have cool sheets of multicolored paper that won't fall apart. You've got your green and your yellow sheets, and you can unfold these and let them dry, and they make really cool art pieces. So I hope you have fun doing the Walking Water project and learning all about capillary action, the process of water drawing up through cellulose fibers, adhesion, adhering to each other through their water molecules inside the fibers, cohesion, sticking to other water molecules as they travel up, and then our primary colors mixing together to make a really cool art project. So have a great day, and thank you, and we'll see you again soon.